Today we have another stained concrete scuff and recoat. So right now we're doing the scuffing process. We're gonna have to move all that out. The camera's gonna show it looking pretty good. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it in the camera, but there are a lot of scratches. I mean, they are just everywhere. Pretty big place here. The bedrooms actually don't look too bad, except for one, and it's actually an office. It's this one right here. We came in the other day and took off this area. That's where a rolling chair was. So if you use a rolling chair on stained concrete or any surface really, you need to have a chair mat or it will destroy that floor. All right, here's almost the finished product. I still got to put one more coat of clear on it. Look at the light shining on the floor. There's a whole lot more to this house, but I'm just going to go back here. There's our awesome acrylic applicator. Look at the reflection of the window, and it's going to be even more shiny. There's that spot. Insane.